Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set cruise control on your Land Rover Defender. First, familiarize yourself with the cruise control buttons located on the right side of your steering wheel. Before engaging, make sure your Defender is moving at a speed greater than 18 miles per hour. To begin, simply press the main cruise control on /OFF button. You'll see an indicator light on your dashboard confirming the system is now active and ready to be set. Once the system is active, drive to your desired speed and then press the SET button. This action will lock in your current speed, and you'll notice the cruise control indicator change to confirm it's engaged. To increase your speed, simply press the RES/plus button. Each press typically adjusts the speed by 1 mile per hour. Conversely, to decrease your speed, press the SET button. This allows for precise adjustments without using the accelerator pedal. There are a couple of easy ways to temporarily disengage cruise control. You can press the dedicated cancel button on your steering wheel or simply tap the brake pedal. Both actions will deactivate the system without turning it completely off. If you wish to resume your last set speed, just press the RES/plus button. This is incredibly convenient for maintaining your desired pace after a brief interruption, like navigating through a slower traffic zone. Many Defenders also feature adaptive cruise control, which automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a preset distance from the vehicle in front. You can modify this following distance using the dedicated gap button on your steering wheel, cycling through various settings. This advanced feature significantly enhances driving comfort and safety, especially on longer journeys. For more helpful tips and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video. Also, make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers linked there. They're a game changer for busy schedules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.